Hey guys, Miss Steele here. So we are going to do our fiction read aloud. This one's kind of cute. It's Fun in the Mud by Anna Prokos. So it's just kind of a fun little one. We'll get going. The sun is rising on the farm. Time for Rooster to sound the alarm. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Open your eyes. Get ready for a big surprise. Pig squeals, it's time to play. I'm going in the mud today. Pig races to the squishy mud. He splashes in with a great big thud. Yahoo! Pig says, the mud's all mine. Then Goat trots over to join the swine. Oh, what fun, Goat says with glee. I found someone to play with me. Pig looks at Goat and shakes his snout. That mud's all mine, Pig says. Stay out. Goat says sadly, that's not fair. He knows that friends should always share. Let's take turns, Goat says. It's fun. There is lots of mud for everyone. Just then, Rooster comes strutting through. He wants to play in the mud too. Go away, Pig says. The mud's all mine. You're being a hog, Rooster tells the swine. Goat says the mud will fit us three. We'll all have fun. Don't you agree? Pig thinks he shouts, sure, come on in. Now our mud party can begin. Splashing and laughing, the three farm friends play in the mud until the day ends. So the big question, does Pig have more fun in the mud when he shares with Goat and Rooster? Yes, they had more fun because he was sharing and got to play with his friends. So, good little lesson there, too. And that is it, the end. So, again, just a fun little read aloud. This one is our fiction piece because, it is make believe. Pigs play in the mud. That is true. However, pigs don't talk. But hopefully, they still do share their mud and are a good friend, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, guys.